Hi guys, it's your boy GadgetMan404 here, and today's test is, can the Tello fly in extreme winds? Now I'm just in a random field, I've got a bit of time free at work, so I thought why not, let's do something. I haven't been able to fly any of my drones for the last fortnight because the weather with Dennis and the one before that has been so bad, and I'm not risking losing my drone. I'm not going to fly it in extreme winds like that at the kind of heights that I fly. So I'm just don't mind doing this. It costs like £60, and if it gets blown away, it gets blown away. But it is quite well for the money. The technology in this drone is very, very good. As I made a video, if you want to check out my other video, cards top corner, old tech versus new tech, or new tech versus old tech, and look how accurate this is at taking off. There's a box it took off from in 30 to 45 mile an hour gusts, and I mean gusts. It is actually handling itself amazingly. This is a brushed drone, guys, no bullshit. A brushed non-GPS drone, and it is holding itself against 35 to 40 mile an hour gusts. If you look up the weather for today, you know that that's how strong the winds have been. And I'm not using the sticks on my phone. I am just holding the phone in my hand, and occasionally I'll turn it from, because it's facing the right a little bit, so I turn it to the left to straighten it up. So the wind is coming across the field. I'm not using the phone to steer this. This is all doing itself with the camera underneath and the IR sensor. It's judging the height, and it's trying to keep it a steady height. There's the box it took off from, and it's literally 2 feet behind it. So it can fly in strong winds, guys, and I am amazed that a drone this small and this cheap can do such a good job. And it does not have GPS, guys. It does not have GPS, but it's doing a fantastic job. I love doing these kind of shots where you go underneath. And now at this point, the wind really kicks up and the drone gets blown back. But then as I'm walking back to it, as you can see, I'm just holding my phone in my hand. It flew back to the point where it took off from. The battery's gone low, so it's going to land. Can it fly in high winds? Yes, it can. I've been GadgetMan404. You guys have been amazing. I'll catch you in the next amazing adventure.